This video will show you how to assemble your Shnuggle Moses basket in a few easy steps. Firstly, take the padded liner and place it inside the basket. Check that you've got the side with the label on, inside and touching against the basket. Pull the edges of the liner over the top of the basket, lining up with the handles. Pull the handles through the slots. Then take the cotton cover, place it inside the basket, again making sure the label is on the inside. Pull the top edge of the cover over the top of the basket, again making sure the handles are lined up with the slots. Pull the handles through on both sides. Next, take the nylon bolts, find the holes near the handles and push the bolts through from the inside of the basket outwards. Now we'll assemble the hood. Find the slots located near the front and the middle of the hood. Take one of the hood support bars and feed it through the slots all the way through and out the other side. Take the second hood support bar and feed it through the middle slot. Find the hole and place it over the bolt that you put into the basket. Use the front hood support first and the middle hood support second. This will make sure that the locking mechanism works and helps you to keep the hood upright. Next, take one of the nylon wing nuts and screw onto the bolt, just hand tightening enough to hold the hood support tight. Don't over tighten, as this can damage the bolt. Next, locate the elastic, feed the front elastic through the back elastic like this, then hook over the wing nut. Repeat on the other side. This helps to keep the hood nice and tight and looking its best. Now find the small tabs with the velcro, line up with the velcro on the inside of the basket and adjust to suit. With this complete, just generally tidy up the edges and make sure the basket looks nice. Lastly, place the mattress inside the basket. We always recommend that you use fitted sheets for your basket. Thank you for watching.